A boy and a girl stood at the edge of a dense forest, their faces a mix of excitement and nervousness. With a shared glance, they stepped into the forest, sunlight filtering through the thick canopy. As they ventured deeper, they spotted a small, friendly dinosaur eating leaves from a low branch. They watched in awe, taking careful notes. Moving further, they observed a group of dinosaurs interacting, some playing, others resting. Their exploration led them to a dinosaur nest with eggs, where they quietly watched a parent dinosaur tending to its nest. The children then witnessed a herd of dinosaurs moving through a clearing, marveling at their social structure. A curious dinosaur approached them, and they cautiously reached out to touch it. Their adventure took an unexpected turn when they discovered a hidden cave with a mysterious glowing light inside, which they decided to explore.